we got some more goods for the GSF. I think this is the air breather kit from RR Racing. Let's open it up and see what we got inside. There it is, guys. As I mentioned, K&N external breather filter connected to looks like a brass T-fitting. One end is going to go to one side of the valve cover, the other end to the other side of the valve cover. And the way you're looking at this right now is basically this is going to sit in the back of the engine bay. This connects to one side, this is going to be routed to the other. Simple install. I'll be doing it in the spring. Stay tuned for that install video, guys. Like, subscribe, and comment. See you on the next one.